Stop being overwhelmed by your data and start seeing the story it's telling. And today, we will learn how to calculate percentages in Tableau. First, connect to your data source in Tableau. Once your data is loaded, we can dive into calculating percentages. We'll use a calculated field for this. Right-click anywhere in the data pane and select Create Calculated Field. This is where the magic happens. In the Calculated Field editor, you'll build your percentage formula. This is where you will name your field. To calculate the percentage of total sales, as an example, enter the formula sum of sales divided by total sum of sales. Then, format the output by selecting this as a percentage. Drag your new calculated field onto your visualization. Tableau will work its magic, converting your raw numbers into easily understood percentages. On the y-axis, see the percentage of sales for each category. Now, you can effectively compare proportions and understand the relative performance of different categories by using this approach on other data. Use this skill to your advantage.